Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making flan. If you want to learn the recipe, then keep on watching. To start the mixture, you're going to take 12 ounces of evaporated milk and pour it into the blender. Next, pour 14 ounces of condensed milk. Add 3 eggs to the mixture. Add 4 ounces of cream cheese. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And blend it all together. Once blended, strain your mixture to get rid of the air bubbles. Now time for the sugar caramel. Take a pot and place it on medium to high heat and add 1 cup of sugar. You'll have to be careful with the sugar and make sure that it doesn't burn on you. So while it's heating up and melting, make sure you're constantly mixing. Once fully melted and it is a brown color, remove it from the heat so it doesn't burn. Once the sugar is melted, you're going to add it to your baking dish. But remember, you are going to need a roasting pan as the flan will need to take a hot bath. The sugar cools extremely fast, so when done pouring, add your mixture. As for the hot bath, this is what I meant. You're going to add hot water to the roasting pan so the flan can cook thoroughly in the oven. Lastly, add aluminum foil to the flan. Then we stick it in the oven. You are going to cook it for 60 minutes at 400 degrees. One hour later, remove your flan from the oven, let it cool for maybe about 30 minutes, and then run a knife through the edges so it's much easier to flip. And here I am just flipping the flan. Make sure you have a flat dish. Mine was a little bit caved, and therefore my flan wasn't centered. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you guys get to recreate it. I won't be doing a taste test because it's so pretty. Anywho, thank you for watching.